Nalin Kohli, today when the Prime Minister spoke, he didn't refer to employment directly, but he said that if the RJD was to come to power, not only would government jobs not be given, private jobs also would not take place because people would be afraid of living under Yadav Raj. However, Rahul Gandhi countered that by suggesting that what about the government's track record in providing jobs? Bihar has a higher unemployment rate than the national average, and it has worsened in lockdown times. Is the Prime Minister running away from that critical issue of the failure to provide jobs in the last 5 years?
Not at all. Nobody's running away from anything, Rajdeep. Look at the narrative. On one side, which is the so-called Mahagathbandhan, you have two family scions or the inheritors of the dynastic rule seeking for employment opportunities for themselves. It's as simple as that. On the other side, you have people who worked, who don't come from any such privilege. Speaking about the track record of a government for 15 years, which I just gave a few indices, if I take government jobs also, what did they generate in their 15 years? 97,000 compared to 6 lakhs under the Nitish BJP rule. There's no parameter that we are running away from. They are trying to build a narrative to somehow wipe away the reality of what they are delivering. Law and order is the first starting point for peace. Without peace, there is no industry and no economy. And without peace, and if there is no industry and economy, jobs is the last things that happen. So the job or the industry that existed was, and we just have to go back to the narrative of the times, and we've seen it ourselves, is Abharan. It used to be kidnapping and ransom. That was an industry. Is that even spoken of today after 15 years? That was the reality. In fact, the joke used to be, you don't go to Bihar because you don't know what will happen. Forget about investors or anything. People living in the state were no longer safe. That was the Gunda Raj or the Jungle Raj. So that reality is what we've seen. And of course, we are going to remind people of it because we are not running away from our track record or our narrative. That is part of everything that we do. But at the same time, it is our obligation and duty to the people of Bihar to remind them of what is the difference between then and now. In a double-engine situation, even more, which means a BJP NDA government at the center and a government of the same constituents in the state.
Rohan Gupta, the fact is that the BJP in every debate now, every time you raise the issue of jobs, they question Lalu Prasad's rule. I come back to it. This is now becoming about Nitish last 15 years versus Lalu 1990 to 2005. Mr. Gupta, this is becoming 1990 to 2005 versus 2005 and 2020.
Rajdeep, when a government, which is an incumbent government, is forced to talk about things before 15 years, it is a clear-cut indication that they have nothing to speak. Why, if I have performed, why should I talk about others? I should go with my report card to people. This is what I have done. But they have nothing to speak. Why issue of unemployment is big in Bihar? Because they have not filled 4.5 lakh government jobs. As you know, Rajdeep, in Bihar, everybody aims for government jobs. If they could not fulfill that, how can people trust on them? See, look at JDU. They thought that 10 lakh jobs are not possible. And their alliance partner come out with jumla of 19 lakh jobs. This is the party who has destroyed 12 crore jobs. And they are talking about creation of 19 lakh jobs. How will people believe that? And Rajdeep, people are smart enough. You don't have to tell them what is right and wrong. You just represent your viewpoint. See what we have done this. If you feel yes, you should vote for us, they will vote for you. By saying them what has happened before 15 years and all, you are trying to question their intelligence. And let me tell Mr. Nalin, if you see the track record of your government, the crime has become three times before 15 years. Unemployment was 45.6%. The budget of 1.25 lakh crores, the Jumla package, only 1559 crore have been spent. Out of 44 crore projects, the road projects, only 27 are under process and 17, there is no DPR even created. So what development you are talking about?